Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by collecting the exact inputs, the sample mass in grams or the solution volume and molarity. This matters because moles come from mass or concentration. Once done, determine the molar mass of the substance from the periodic table, that is grams per mole, and it converts mass to amount. If the task links substances, write the balanced chemical equation now so you can use mole ratios. Make sure units match. Convert milligrams to grams or ml to L before you calculate. You now perform the core calculations. If you have a solid, divide the given mass by its molar mass to get moles. That ratio directly converts grams into amount. For solutions, convert milliliters to liters, then multiply volume in liters by molarity to obtain moles of solute. If the problem requires another substance, apply the balanced equation's mole ratio as a conversion factor. Also, track significant figures and units during each step so your numeric result stays credible and consistent. You finish by checking the arithmetic and formatting the answer as moles. Round to the correct significant figures and include the unit mol. If the question involves reactions, determine the limiting reagent or compute % yield to confirm consistency. When everything lines up, state the final mole quantity clearly. If numbers look wrong, recheck unit conversions, the molar mass you used, and the balanced equation. These are the most common errors and usually explain discrepancies quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.